it's facing, and today we're at Compstool. We're going to be walking around feeding the ducks and stuff, so yeah. Grandad. So we've got a loaf of bread.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. What else can I feed him? And I'm not in school today because I don't feel
Can I get one of these?
Why are you off
I'm just
school?
getting fresh air. I'm getting fresh air, even though I don't. That big one. Yeah, that's not for you.
Hey, just look here one sec so I get a picture. Say hi.
Say hi.
Can I go closer and get him in the pond?
Don't make it
Come round
laugh.
here though. Come over here near this. Come over here near this bench because they'll attack you.
Make the bread laugh.
Put that bread in that bag of rice. Need to break it up, you know.
Can I have a bit of the bread, Grandad?
Yeah, have what you want.
Come here.
Good.
Sit here.
Is this the bread that we got from, what's it called? Where did we get it from? I don't know, but...
From where?
When we went to get bread, I don't know, but...
Don't go too close because they bite, they nap you.
I don't know, but it's yummy.
Are you eating it or are you throwing it in?
I'm eating it. It's so big.
Throw it over there and then we'll go over
Why
there.
is it van and boat sailing?
They're there, you know, them people over there. They've got remote control boats, yeah.
Don't eat it, feed them.
No, but this bread is yummy. Look in, turn your back.
Hey.
It's supposed to be for the ducks, that bread.
I know, it's not. Yellow. Is still recording?
Yeah.
Don't you fight over a bit of bread. Oh my goodness.
Where from?
Shift out there.
You can have it.
Where do you get the bread from?
Ew. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Ha. Give me the bread. Give me the bread. Give me the bread. I've got to back to the camera.
You've got to
Go on,
throw it in like that though, break it up like tiny. Hold your hands out.
I don't throw it in, I eat it. Don't eat it.
They're following you now, Faye.
Oh God. Oh, that's enough. Come.
Whoosh, I just dropped it. Oh well.
Sorry, I'll get that.
Ah! What's even that is straight in your mouth?
What are you scared of?
Did you catch that on the camera?
Hey?
Did you get that on camera?
No, I didn't actually.
Come take that.
Right.
Now we're going to get some more bread.
Where from?
Grandad, by the way, I'm stop filming.
Where's Lisa?
Here and I want an ice cream, Grandad. Even
Toy
though
Box.
I'm going to get some.
What are you having?
I might get some mint chocolate or chocolate. I don't know yet. Chocolate, I think.
You've got salted caramel.
I know, only professional. But I want.
Don't forget their ours.
What?
I'm just going to go and have a wave.
So what are you having? You do want some ice cream, will you?
No, I
Could
don't.
have got. Is it bread?
Right, what are you having?
Oh, food.
I'll have some pistachio, please.
It's fine.
One tub.
Well, back in a minute, alright?
No, sorry, I'll have a cone, sorry. One of these cones,
Look,
sorry.
they have a different colour. Because they want the chocolate and sprinkles.
With the hundreds and thousands, that one.
Yeah, I think it is.
What that one?
Is that sherbet top one?
Yeah.
So do you want a sherbet on actually? Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Are you actually? I didn't know you were filming the whole time.
Thank you.
So now I've got.
What do you want?
Pardon?
What are you having? Are you having one of them hundreds of thousands cone?
No, I want the sherbet cone with the chocolate ice cream. You're filming, definitely. So we've got some
Yes,
cheese and
yes.
some bread. My granddad's eating his ice cream. I will show you. I don't trust me with the
Don't
camera.
drop it, hold it properly.
There's my granddad eating some ice cream. Wait, let me move it back.
Pistachio.
And that's the lady that's supplying us. Wait.
What flavour ice cream we have?
There's the lady
Chocolate.
that's supplying us. Yeah. I just showed us the lady that was helping us. There's some of my ice cream. I'm having, I don't know if you'll be able to see, that sherbet cone there at the very top and that chocolate ice cream there. If we can get it. This is like a shop at comp store. Yeah, I've just got some seeds. I can't show you because I don't want to drop them.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
More than me.
Yeah, I have. That's because you... Oh, I got it.
What's the damage of?
£3.75.
It's not damage. That's not a lot, Grandad. It's not damage.
Yeah, give me the camera.
You take the camera. Why I take this?
Let's have a look at your ice cream.
This sherbet's nice.
Oh, you weren't well.
I don't care.
You've recovered miraculously now. You were ill before, didn't want to go out. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
See you now, bye bye.
See ya.
That was sorry for me ice cream.
Yeah.
This. So now we're going to the waterfall at the end of Comstock. Not the end of Comstock.
I'm going to the
At the
waterfall.
No, it's too far.
Grandad John can't do that. He's getting on now.
Are we? Can
The
we?
bleeding
We are out
marathon.
with the
that.
pensioner. Bear that in
Can we
mind.
though? It's not that far.
It is far. Why don't we just walk round this bit? Because that's far enough.
We'll feed for more ducks.
Yeah, I want to feed some more ducks. Too far the waterfall. It's
Because
miles
that's
away.
exciting, feeding a duck. And they're going for you.
These ones here mustn't get much food. Because they're not at the front.
If I
Should
was
we
a
feed
duck
these
though, I'd be
ones?
up here. Peace and
If you
quiet.
want. This ice cream is lovely. A trick to get the sherbet off is.
Is it good
You're
that?
enjoying that ice cream? It is all around your face. Your cheeks are enjoying.
I'm not.
Don't film in.
Why?
Don't film in. There's like, what's it called? A mango there. Look, film it.
Mandarin.
And then there's that baby there. It's going off. You might want to film another baby. I don't think
I don't think the babies are just smaller ducks.
Look at the babies. Oh, and that one now also has a big puffy out face. And then that one's black and white. And then that one's like cute. And then this one's like a lunatic.
This is like a lunatic.
So that one's a
They're
lunatic one.
vicious geese though.
Yeah, they are.
That's the lunatic one.
They're Canada geese.
The who?
Go on, Faye.
Sorry. And this one's a big puffy head.
This one.
Why can't we
Type of
go
duck's
in?
that?
No idea.
Why can't we go in?
Weirdo.
Why can't we go in?
You wouldn't
That's the
argue with them,
weirdo
would you?
There's more around here, you know, that don't get any food.
And now we're going to see more ducks.
Where are they? Up here?
Yeah.
Which way are you walking, Faye?
Look on that one, you can just see its head. Oh, it's a twig.
So what?
A twig.
Remember when we
Oh,
walked
wait,
down the
look at
canal,
that.
Dad,
You
and we
can see
seen
the
them
head.
ducks with all them babies?
Yeah.
There was loads of it.
This
Must have been about 8.
Aye, that's not
Well, there
what.
was loads of babies in, they're tiny, they was about this big.
Faye got a chocolate
They're
moustache.
cute.
And beard.
Magic.
Sorry.
Where are we going now? We're not going waterfall, are we?
No.
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Ducking in. It's found something. Look, it's looking. Where's it gone?
Film.
They go right under.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it's gone right under.
So it's back. It's having a wash.
You want my chocolate ice cream, but you're not getting it.
You want the sherbet?
There, you can have a bit of sherbet, not.
Don't they come up with body like quite quick?
Go on.
My straight was all gone. I just set it up. Oh well.
Where do we turn round here now?
It's right there, just there.
Yeah. A coot. They like fishing them, don't they?
Do you reckon there's much fish in it?
Yeah, of course there is. Where there's water, there's fish. When what?
I came with Freya.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. You're still filming?
Oh, is Freya?
Yeah.
Better?
Well, she was back at school now, so hopefully she's better.
Good.
I'm not actually that smart. I'm not from the saddle.
You're not going to be tall though, you're going to be like me and mum you.
Well,
Hopefully a bit thinner.
do you think I'm the right age? From that?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to go there. This is Freya.
And wipe your face when you're ready.
I don't know, because I just...
You give this swan some food?
Yeah.
Sorry, Swanee. I can't chuck very well.
I then remembered, and then I remembered two of the little ones. So some of them must have came from the other one.
That's bloody duck's eating now.
There's one ducky there. It's stuck.
What? Watch.
They're scared. They're scared. They're going to be all gone before I can ever go. Did it hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt.
It does.
You think I'd be stood there?
Yeah, it might hurt for me because I'm only a kid.
It won't hurt.
Does it hurt one tiny bit?
Not at all. I wouldn't let you do it hurt, would I?
Just,
Won't hurt you. Just do it. What?
I don't want to do it. Get in me. You can. I'd hold my hand. So you can hold. Right, I'll do it. If you hold my hand. I'll do it.
Right, it won't hurt.
Is my hand flat
honestly.
enough?
Yeah, it's flat. It's got no teeth in it.
I'm gonna do it again.
You can't just run away.
You got a panic.
Panic.
I thought
I told you. What do you think I'd let you do if it hurt you?
Right, that's on my hand. Okay. He does hurt.
Do the heck. Come on.
Try it with that duck.
They've got a thinner beak, so that could be hurt more. Theirs is quite flat. I've done it before, it doesn't hurt. Yeah?
I just do something nasty. I just
Go on, Faye.